Welcome to Charlas. Today we are with Djamal Diouf. He is a program analyst for mobile pathways, but he is also an asylum seeker who won his immigration case. Djamal, welcome.
Hi, everyone. My name is Djamal, and I am a refugee from Cameroon. Some few years ago, I thought my life was over. As a law student and political activist, I was persecuted by my home government, and I had to flee the country immediately. I ended up stuck at the US-Mexican borders for months. I had no idea where to go or what to do, but I was lucky enough to come across a nonprofit organization who helped me to receive legal text on my phone, and that helped me to enter the US safely and legally. While I am not an immigration attorney, I am an asylum seeker who successfully went through the process. And today I'm here to share some tips on how to prepare for your asylum case with you all.
How did you prepare for your asylum case?
To prepare for my asylum case, the number one thing that I was doing was to maintain constant communication with my attorney. I made sure that if I had any new element to provide to my attorney, if I received any letter from the immigration, or if I have any update, I will reach out to my attorney as soon as possible and share those insights um, with my attorney. And also, I was like honest, like I was very honest to my with my attorney. I know it's very difficult to be vulnerable and share some like details about maybe some past traumatic events with someone that is, I would say, a stranger. But something that you need to keep in heart is that your attorney has your best interest in heart and is there to represent you. So be open, be honest, and share your story to the smallest details, because you never know what might hit or what might be useful to win your case.
What happens if I cannot afford an attorney?
That is a very good question. So, if you cannot afford an attorney, there are a lot of nonprofit organizations out there that are willing and capable to assist asylum seekers, refugees through their immigration part. There is this nonprofit organization called Immigration Advocates, and their website is immigrationadvocates.org. They have a system where you can find local nonprofits that will help you to provide pro bono lawyers in your area. So all you have to do is go to their website and enter your region and zip code, and they will provide you with a list of nonprofit organizations that provide pro bono assistance to asylum seekers. Secondly, you can also use Hola Asistente, which is the latest product that we develop at Mobile Pathways. Hola Asistente is a multilingual text-based virtual assistant that provide automatic code updates to immigrants. All you have to do is enter your A number and phone number, and Hola Asistente will send you automatic updates whenever there's a change in your immigration hearing. Additionally, Hola Asistente will also send you info videos that are provided by vetted immigration attorney. And we have an entire curriculum going from like basic questions, for example, how to prepare for an immigration code. Our Charlas channel has a lot of info videos that are there to assist you through your immigration journey.
What are some tips that you can share on how to prepare for your immigration hearing?
So when I was going for my immigration hearing, there are certain things that I realized. The number one thing that I would tell you when you are going to court, show up earlier. Some of you who are driving are advised you to show up even like 30 to 45 minutes earlier, because some courts do not have parkings available, and you might want to go around and find a place to park before going to court. While you're in court now, be very cautious. Be answer to the questions that the judge or the government attorney might ask you as if you were at a job interview. When you ask a question in immigration court, I will advise you to answer to the question directly. If you're asked a yes or no question, answer yes or no. If later on you ask to develop on a question, do develop on the question. Even if you think the judge or the government attorney has already asked you that question, don't say like, as I already said, or you've already asked that question. There's a reason why they are doing that. So just be polite and answer to the question. And another thing to consider is to be very honest. For example, if you are asked if you have already break a law in the United States, if you did break a law, be honest and say and answer to the question. Never try to hide something to the judge, because if they find out later, you will be in big troubles. So always be honest. Beside that, like beside on how to behave in the immigration code, is very important to know how to dress for your immigration hearing. I'll never advise someone to go in the immigration code with a short or just like a simple like t-shirt. Wear a plain shirt with no like things that will distract you or the judge from the purpose of why you are in court. Dress properly, put on a shirt, a normal trouser, and that's it. At the end of your hearing, be very appreciative of the ruling of the judge. Even if the ruling is not in your favor, be appreciative. And even if you can say thank you to the judge, because something that you need to remember is you have the right for an appeal. So be very like be very like appreciative. Always say thank you. And if the ruling is in your favor, say thank you to the judge, because there is never a harm to be polite and show like your appreciation. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope these tips on how to prepare for your immigration case will be helpful and will also work for you as it worked in my case. If you want to have more information or would like to watch more videos on how to prepare for your immigration case, I encourage you to visit our YouTube channel called Charlers, or visit our website mobilepathways.org. Thank you.